Hi, Christian.
Hello, sir.
Am I audible and visible properly?
Yeah,
All right. Nice to see you. Right. So we are starting with quadratics, right? I would need a little bit of information from you on what book you are using and sort of what do you learn in this 2D and 3D shapes a little, okay? Right. Um,
okay.
so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a photo or an image of the front page of the book and send it to me, okay? Right. So that
Right now?
no. After the class, it's fine. So
Okay,
you would send it to me so that I can get that book and teach from there. All
okay.
right. So quadratics. Did you go through the plan that I sent to you?
Yeah,
You did,
yeah.
right? So the content that I have mentioned there, does it match with what you are learning in the school?
Yeah, some of them.
Okay, okay.
But some of them are also
So
new
just let
lessons.
me know if I miss out on something. Please let me know so that I prepare content and teach you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's begin quadratics with sequences. You're aware of sequences, Christian?
Yeah,
You are, right? Sequences are
yeah.
a bunch of numbers. You can say list of numbers arranged in a defined manner with a specific rule, right? As you can see over here. These are the examples of sequences. What is the rule over here? Can you get the rule? Can you identify the rule here? What are we doing in the first one?
Adding four each time.
Adding. Absolutely. What are we doing in the second one?
Times two.
Times two. Fantastic. What are we doing in the third one?
Uh, wait. Hmm, I don't know.
We are squaring the term number, okay? One square, two
Oh,
square, three square, four
okay.
square, five square, six square. And what are we doing in this one? What do you notice?
They're fractions and
They're fractions with numerators,
the
increasing by one, right?
denominators multiplied by two.
Absolutely. All of these are sequences. You saw that there are
Yeah,
some rules by which you can get the next term, right? The rules will
yes.
give will get you the next term or any term in that matter for that matter in the sequence. So the rule that we talk about, the specific rule, is translated into a formula called general term. Okay, general term, which is written like this. I'll tell you. A n. Have you seen something like this ever?
Yeah,
You
seen
have,
before.
right? It may be written as an or tn, term n. Okay.
Okay,
Right. So this is written as a formula. Okay, some formula. I would mention a couple of formulas now to make you understand better. So this will give you the rule. This will give you the rule, and you will be able to find out any term in that sequence using this rule. Okay, any
okay.
term whatsoever. So let's begin with a general term and create a sequence. Let's say we have term n as 3n minus 5. Let's say, Christian. So let's create a few terms. Let's see what sequence is like. Come on. What will be term one?
Uh, three and then minus five.
So
So
that's
negative two.
negative two. Fantastic. What will be term two?
Uh, one,
Uh, one. Yeah, absolutely. It is going to be one. Term three,
then four.
four. Absolutely. Term four, come on, seven. Right,
Yeah.
Christian. Term 5?
10.
Yeah, 10. So you're getting a sequence. What is the sequence like? Come on. The sequence is
Uh,
-2, comma 1, comma 4,
1,
comma 7,
4, 7, and 10.
10. Now, what do you notice in this sequence? It is increasing by
3.
3. Now, what do you reckon? What kind of an expression is this?
Uh,
There are constants
Quadratic?
there, right, Christian? There are constants 3 and -5. And is the
Yeah,
variable and was changing, right? And was changing in
yeah.
these. Yeah. So, n is the variable. What is the power on the variable? What is the power on n?
Mm, in N,
Yeah, on n. Exponent, index.
uh, 3.
No. That's coefficient.
What?
When we write 3n minus 5, we don't have anything as the power. We don't have anything over here, right? Over n, right? That means
Yeah.
the power is 1, right?
Oh, okay.
And such an expression is called linear expression. Are you getting the idea? This is linear.
Yeah.
Linear. Linear means the power on the variable would be 1. In the picture, boy? Christian?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Now you understood that if the sequence is increasing by some number, first step difference, notice first step difference is a constant, then it will be a linear sequence, right? This is a linear sequence. We'll talk about linear and quadratic sequences one by one. So you understood what general term means. For example, if you find out term 50, let's say, what are you going to do? You are simply going to put 50 in place of n, right? And that's going to be what?
Yeah.
145. So there'll be 145 somewhere here. You understand that, Christian? Is it
Okay.
clear, boy?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay. Now, there are two kinds of sequences that we are going to discuss. Linear sequence, which is also known as arithmetic progression. Have you heard of this? Arithmetic progression?
No, but I only heard about arithmetic and quadratics.
Yes. Arithmetic sequence. Have you heard of this? Arithmetic sequence?
Yeah. Yeah.
You have, right? There is one chapter for you, okay? Arithmetic sequence. There is a separate chapter which deals in these kind of sequences. The sequence that I took over here. This one, which has a constant first step difference. Okay, are you getting the idea?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are going to discuss two of such sequences. One linear sequence and the other quadratic sequence. Okay.
Okay.
So focus on
Yeah.
linear sequences once. Christian, take a look at this again, right? Take a look at this. What are the terms over here? Term 1, 4. Come on, help
4,
me.
9,
9,
and then 14,
14,
19,
19.
and
A5
24.
is 24. And just keeps on going, okay? It just keeps on going. It
Yeah.
is not the end. All right. Now, when I say first step difference, what does it mean? Take a look at this. This is very interesting. What is the difference between these two? A2 minus A1?
5,
5. We are adding 5. What is the difference between these two?
5,
We are
6.
adding 5. And
Yeah.
again,
5, and
and
so on.
again 5. So this is termed as first step difference, okay? Uh,
Okay.
Christian, this is the first step difference. Now, if I tell you to create the general term, the nth term for this sequence, what are you going to do? What are the steps involved?
Uh, First
Any idea?
5
5,
and
5n,
minus
very
1.
good. Minus,
1.
yeah. How do we get that 1?
Because you have to find the first term first. 4. So how do we get the first term?
Okay, you are going that way. I will tell you another way of getting it. Look, you've got 5n, right? Where do you get that 5n from? Look, we got the first step difference as 5, right?
Yeah.
If the first step difference is 5, the power on n will be 1. Remember this. If the first difference is 5, first step difference is 5, the power on n will be 1 and the first term will be 5 times n. Are you getting the idea?
Yeah.
Now, notice. 5n. If n is 1, what is it going to be the value? 5 times n?
Uh, 5 and
5 5 ones are 5
what?
ones would be 5, right?
Yeah, 5.
And 5 twos, term 2,
Uh, 10,
then 5 3, 5 into 3,
15,
15,
and
20,
20.
and so on, right?
Yeah.
Now, what sequence did we have originally? It was, let me write it in red, 4, 9, 14, 19, 24. Now find the difference, Christian. What is the difference?
Uh, always 1.
Minus 1, right? 4 minus 5,
Oh, yeah.
that's minus 1. 9 minus 10, minus 1. 14 minus 15, minus 1. 19 minus 20, minus 1, minus 1. That's the minus 1 we place over here.
Oh, okay.
Got the idea, boy? It was
Yeah.
easier for you to guess, so you could guess, right? But sometimes
Yeah.
it will become difficult for you to guess. So you have to follow the procedure. This is the procedure of finding out the general term. Are you getting the picture, boy?
Yeah.
Very good. Let's try the second one. Come on. We have 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Come on. What are the differences? First step difference. Come on.
3.
3 plus 3. Okay. Next. Plus 3.
3.
Of course, it is plus
And
3, plus 3, and plus 3. Okay, so we have confirmed that the general term will begin with 3 times n. Am I clear with this? Tell me.
yeah.
Very good. So 3n, if you look, n is always the term number. It will always begin with 1. So 3 times 1, what is
Yeah.
it going to be? 3 times 1?
3
Very good. 3 times 2?
and 6.
3 times 3, 9.
9.
3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 3 times 5 will be 15. 3 times 6 will be 18, and so on. Now, put
Yeah.
this over it. So it's going to be 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. What is the difference?
Oh, minus 1.
Minus 1. Very, very good. Very, very good. So that is the general term. Now, if you are told to find out term 100, what are you going to do? How will you find out term 100?
3 times 100 minus 1.
Very good done. There you go. So this is 290. Now, do you have pen and paper with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, try out C. Tell me the general term. Get me the general term for 3.
Okay.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
It's gonna be 2n
2n,
plus 3.
2n plus 3. Okay, let me verify. How are you going to verify this? Which term number is this? Which term number? 13?
5.
Fifth term. Let's see whether fifth term is 13 or not. So 2 times 5 plus 3. Absolutely correct. You are damn good at this. Pretty good. Wonderful work. So you understood linear sequences, haven't you, Christian?
Yeah.
First step, linear sequences is all about first step. First step difference, if it is constant, it is a linear sequence. You will always have n power 1, n power 1. Fantastic. Now let's move to quadratic. You have this or not? You have this in your course?
Yeah. Quadratics we have them.
Yeah, quadratic sequence. Let's move to quadratic sequences. Come on. What do you see here? What is the first step difference, Christian?
1.
Let me write over here so that you understand it better. 2, 3, 6, 11, 18, 27. What is the first step difference?
1.
There are different differences, okay? It's not constant. 2 to 3, 1 plus 1. 3 to 6, come on.
3.
3. 6 to 11,
5.
5. See, it is different. I mean, it's not constant.
Yeah.
There's going to be 7 plus 7. And there's going to be 9.
9.
But now let's try to find out the second step difference. Come on. 1 to 3.
2.
2 plus 2. Fantastic. 3 to 5.
Then 2. 2.
Plus 2 again. 5 to 7 plus 2.
2.
7 to 9 plus 2.
Again.
See this. We are going for 2-step, right? When we reach the second step, the difference became constant, right? It is now constant, right? So what are you going to do is you are going to start your general term with this. I'll tell you. Half this, okay? Half this. Don't take this directly. Half this. What is the half of 2?
1.
1. So we are going to begin with 1 times n square. 1 times n square or just n square. Are you getting me? 1 times n square will be just n square, right? Okay, fantastic. So now create the terms. Come on, create the terms. One just n square is going to be for first term. It's going to be
2. Oh, no.
1 square. 1 square. 1 square will be 1. 2 square
1.
will be
4.
4. Fantastic. 3 square will be
9.
4 square will be 16, 25, and so on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Above this, you are going to place the original sequence. So this is going to be 2, 3, 6, 11, 18. Come on, let's find out the differences. What do you think the differences are? 2 minus 1?
1.
1. 3 minus 4?
-1.
6 minus 9?
-3.
Very good. 11 minus 5, 11 minus 16?
-5.
And this is -7, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Now find out the difference between these two. What is the difference? -1, -1?
2.
-2, -2, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. -1 plus, sorry, -3 plus 1. -3 plus 1.
-2.
Again, -2. Very good. This is going to be -2 as well. This is going to be -2. Fantastic. So the second term that we get, Christian, the second term that we get is -2n. -2n. Here we do not have, okay? We do not have. We have it
Yeah.
when we have the second step difference. So we have got negative 2n. Now find out the terms corresponding to this particular term in the general sequence. So first one will be
Uh,
minus 2 times 1,
-2.
minus 2. Minus 2 times 2,
Uh, -4.
minus 4. Minus 2 times 2 will be minus 4. Minus 2 times 3 will be minus 6. Minus
6.
2 times 4 will be minus 8. And so on, right?
And yeah.
Okay, what are you going to place above it? You are going to place this sequence above it. 1, minus 1, minus 3, and what is it going to be? Uh,
-5.
minus 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, yes. So what are we getting the difference as?
Uh,
Minus 2, minus 1. That's
minus
minus 3.
-3.
Minus 4
And
plus 1. That's minus
-5.
3. Minus 3.
8.
Minus 3. Are you getting the idea? Am I
Yeah.
clear up to here? Okay. Now, this is
Yeah.
the final thing that you are going to write in the general term. I understand. Got it, boy, Christian.
Yeah.
Have you done things like this? Tell me, please.
Yeah, we're gonna do this.
Okay. Now, verify whether I am correct or not. How are you going to verify whether this is general term or not?
We'll get the sixth term.
Yeah, let's find out fifth term or sixth term, whichever you want to find out. Find out fifth term, sixth term. Come on, A6. What is it going to be?
Uh,
Use this formula.
27 squared.
27 square. It is A6. A6. We are going to find this as an answer, okay?
Yeah.
So A6 is going to be, come on, plug it in over here.
Oh,
Yes,
6 squared
6 squared. Very good.
-2 and -3.
Minus 3. Check whether we are correct or not. 6 square is
Uh, 36.
30. Oh, actually, this must have been plus, right? We subtracted. It's not negative 3. It's positive 3, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Subtraction will change sign, right? That should have been
Yeah.
plus. Yeah, plus 3. So this is going to be 36 minus 6 to 12 plus 3. What are we getting?
Uh,
36 minus
24.
12 plus 3 to 24 plus 3, 27, right?
16. Okay. 27, then plus 3, 30.
No. 36 minus 12 is 24, right? And plus 3
Yeah.
is 27. So
Oh, 27,
no answer.
27.
Getting it, Christian? Am I
Yeah.
clear? Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So this is very interesting. Would you like to try the second one or third one, Christian?
Yeah, okay. I'll try the
Yeah, I will not
second.
erase it so that you can refer to this. I'll erase it later. Come on, give it a try. Number B. If there is any confusion, do mention, please. It's my job to make things clear to you. Is there any confusion as to which
No,
sequence to take first, which sequence to take second in the subtraction part?
no, I'm getting it.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Got it, Christian?
No, I think I'm confused.
Confused?
Like,
Confused in which part?
yeah,
Which part?
the
Have
part
you
where like,
I mean, first term
yeah,
in
I've got,
the, yeah, what
yeah,
is that?
the next step. Yeah, I got this term, and that's that.
Uh,
Then I had to minus it with like the first part, and then
okay.
after that I got like different answers. Like,
Okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine. I'll help you. So, what did you get the first term over here? Like this thing, this thing. What did you get this thing as?
uh, 2n squared.
2n square. In mind, wait, in mind. Uh, yeah, 2n square. Fine. Okay, I'll just erase it and perfect for you. So you got 2n square. Hang on a second. 2n square. So the sequence would be 2, 8, right? Did you get 8?
Yeah, yeah, and then
Good.
18.
18, 32, right?
Oh, okay, I'm starting to get it now.
Didn't you get it like this? Didn't you get it like this, Christian?
I got it different, but like then I did it again. I found out the thing that I did wrong. Turns out I didn't times it like
Okay.
properly. I just
Okay.
multiplied
Do
properly.
you want me to continue solving this from here?
No, I got it now.
You got it now. Okay, fantastic. Get me the general term so that I can check.
Okay, let's finish it. Okay, so I did the multiplication, then I minused it, and
Mhm.
I got like 7, 10. I don't know, like I got 2, 8, 18, 32, 50. Then I minused it with the
You're
the
not getting the
sequence.
constant difference towards the end.
Yeah, I got the constant difference was like 3.
Oh, okay. So what is the general term coming like for you? What is the general term? You started off with 2n square. Very good. 2n square.
Yeah,
Then
then
second term.
plus 3.
No, the second term must be a term involving n. So is that term not there?
Mm, wait. Oh, 3n.
Are you getting 3n?
Yeah, I got 3n.
Hang on. Let me just try it once for you, Christian. Let's just revise the thing, okay? Come on, come on, help me, okay? So we
Okay.
have 9, the sequence is 9, 18, 31,
3,
48, 69.
69.
Pretty good. So the first step difference is plus 9. What is this? What is this difference?
Plus 9. Then after that,
13, right? Is it 30?
13, 17, 13,
30.
and 17, and 21.
This is 17, right?
Yeah, 17, and then the next one is 21.
21. Very good. Okay, what is the second step difference then? This is plus 4.
4.
Very good. Plus 4,
Then you
plus
divide it by 2.
Wonderful. So we are going to have 2n square, right?
2n squared.
Let's
Yeah.
just note it in the general term as well. An starts off with 2n square. 2n squared. Okay.
Okay.
Did you note it like this? Go step by step. Okay.
Yeah,
Note it.
I did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So what is this sequence corresponding to 2n square? The first one is 2. Then we have
So
8.
8,
Then
18,
18,
32, and then 50.
32,
50.
50. Very good. Very good. Above it, we are going to write the original sequence
9,
in
18.
18, 31, 48, 69. Okay, let's find out the difference. What is it going to be? Positive 7,
7 is the first one. Positive 7, positive
positive
10,
10,
positive
positive
13,
13,
and
positive
16 and 19. Positive.
16, positive 19. Very good. Very, very good. Okay. Now what is the step difference? Come on. Plus 3,
3 plus
plus
3
3,
plus 3 plus 3.
plus 3, plus 3. Very good. So this will constitute the middle term, okay? And it will be 3 times n. In a quadratic sequence, we'll have the second one as 3 times something. I mean, n times something, okay? So we have the
Okay.
second one as positive 3n,
Positive
okay?
3.
Create the sequence again, 3n. Corresponding to 3n, what will be the sequence? Let me write it a little below over here.
Like 3 times 1.
Yeah, absolutely. 3 times 1.
Oh, fine. Okay. So 3, 6,
3,
9,
6,
3, 6,
9,
9, 12,
12,
and 15.
15. And above it, write this one. Note this, okay? Christian, we will write this sequence above it. This sequence, not the
Oh,
original
okay.
sequence, okay? So it is 7,
6,
10,
10, 13,
13,
15,
16,
19.
19. What difference are we getting?
Uh,
Positive 4,
4, oh, 4, yeah.
right? It's all positive 4, positive 4,
Yeah,
positive
all positive.
4. So, so the third term in the general term over here would be
Oh,
4.
it's positive 4.
Got the idea, boy?
Yeah, got
Now
it.
you can verify. Which term do you want to choose to verify? Come on. 31, 48,
48.
48. That's fourth term, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Fourth, right? Let's find out
So
A4. Come on. Using the
2 times
general.
4,
2
2
times
times
4
4
squared
squared,
plus
8, and then squared is 64 plus
this is
12 plus
32.
4.
This is 32. And 3 fourths are 12 and plus 4. What is it going to be total?
Uh, 44. Wait, so the final answer is 48.
See, we are getting the fourth term as 48, right?
Yeah.
Verified. Got the idea, boy?